Let's talk UNC basketball a second.
From long range. Oh, that's really deep. Oh,
to shoot now for Carolina in the corner. Davis. Oh, Davis.
Bacot, the spin, too tough. And no answers right.
First of all, we came in as a preseason #1, which is hard to live up to. Especially considering our run really just happened at the end of last season, giving us an 8th seed into the tournament. But we did make it all the way to a national championship. And we did come back with all of our starters. Well, except one. R.I.P. Brady. Greatest basketball player in UNC history. But I'll get to that in a bit. So far this season has been tough.
Because it's a different team, but the fact that you have those 4 core guys back in R.J. Davis, Caleb Love, Armando, and Leaky Black, that's where the parallels are drawn, because you expect for those guys in another year to be even better than they were a year before. Pete Nance, of course, has been inconsistent at times. He's not been Brady Manick, and you can't ask him to be Brady Manick, who was so important for that team a year ago.
With all the hype at the end of last season, I just thought we'd be a lot better. But so far, nothing's really clicked. And going into the Duke game was a must win because of the threat of elimination from the NCAA tournament. And losing to Duke is just always the worst. I didn't plan on making that, but I thought it'd be a cool shot. And losing to Duke is just the worst. But all I have to remember is this. What is this? Gotta get this. So now it's make it to the ACC championship game this week or bust. And I really want to make the tournament. Oh, why is Brady Manick the best player in UNC history? I don't know.
Manick.
Maybe it's his good looks. Maybe his swag.
Manick.
The manliest beard you've ever seen. Or those luscious locks.
Here's Manick.
Or big-time shots.
Finish that one. Manick, quick release on the 3.
Maybe it's something he said to Apollo Banchero.
Jump shots on Manick's got to drive him. Manick loves the 3. That's the 3.
How do you describe the GOAT?
Don't get it twisted. It has not been the season that the Tar Heels have wanted it to be. That group can bottle it up here.